Good afternoon, everybody. Now this will be my second video. Now you know what I look like. After speaking to the investigating officer, etc., we've decided that you can now see what I look like. Yes, it's the Grammar Pampoen. And now I'd like to talk about the demanding letter from PFTC, letter 60 of 2026, where they give the minister an ultimatum. Either you sign or we go to court. This is going to leave me no option to open more dockets, accessory after the fact. For 13 years, Act 60 of 2000 has been contravened. I will have to do the necessary against anyone or anybody who authorize or support or request this unlawful request. To us, it is unlawful. Like I said before, you cannot exercise and implement only part of the act like it please you. Doesn't work that way. Not in this country. Doesn't work that way. It's not correct. It is not right. The law is the law. We need to all walk in line with the law. Now, as I've said, there is a case against Lieutenant General Sithole and others. I will continue with a lot of support from others. I will continue and open more dockets. This is not a threat. It's not a warning. It's a fact. Enjoy your weekend.